Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. 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 Kiss.
Yes, the Knights arrive in town
Yes.
having lost on their last
No.
10 visits to
Yes.
Melbourne. In fact, the last time they won here was way back in 2004.
Mia. Kiss.
Premiers this season. However, they do come into
Mia.
of course, they've got the
Kiss, kiss.
The Storm have to bounce back from their
Mia.
last week. Here's what both sets of fans have had to say before
Kiss.
the match.
Kiss. Kiss. No. Okay. Kiss, kiss. Mia. Kiss. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss.
I would say at least
Yes.
15-point win tonight.
No. No kiss.
I think it's going to be a manly story.
Mia, no kiss.
So the Storm
No.
looking to seal a preliminary
No.
final showdown with the
Kiss.
Roosters, and predictably
Kiss,
their
Lola.
victory will be at the heart of it. You think Billy
Kiss,
Slater,
Lola.
Cameron Trott and Cam Smith will all
Kiss.
have a big role to play tonight.
Kiss
To modify
Lola.
that threat, you'd think Danny Buderus and Darius Boyd will have to be very busy for the night. Going to be a blockbuster.
Kiss, kiss. Yes. No. No kiss. Mia, no kiss. No kiss. Now I'm gonna give you a kiss. A kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
What a difference a week makes.
Oh, more. Stop that.
These boys that are shattered. Some blokes have played their last game for the club, and we're talking about referee
Mia,
decisions.
kiss. Mia, kiss.
Theories and give you something to write
Mia,
about.
kiss. Bye, Mia. Bye. Bye-bye.
Contentious moments starting early.